So the too long didn't watch for this video is this. Empulse is a lot of fun. It runs great on Linux and it has Titanfall vibes. Apex Legends and Respawn screwed us over by banning Linux. If you are on Linux, like FPS shooters, and want to give EA and Respawn the finger, go grab this game and play the crap out of it. So I was doing the normal Sunday night stream where I hang out and do Linuxy stuff like spin the distro wheel and just try out different distros. I work on my apps, and then Slimy Mucus says, does the new game Empulse work on Linux? It's made by the same people that make Splitgate, but this one is more like Titanfall 2. Now, Don and I had heard of this and even signed up to the playtest, but they wanted me to join their Discord. Now, if I was to join the Discord for every game I played or tested, I'd be in hundreds of Discord servers, so I didn't bother. And I'd forgotten about it until Slimy Mucus mentioned it. So I immediately downloaded it on stream, installed the demo, and jumped into the practice range. And this happened. This is taken direct from a live stream, so apologies for any audio imbalance. Let's just get on with it, shall we? Oh my god. Oh wow, this feels great. I'm going to turn it down a bit though. Seems quite loud, yeah? Then Don notices and we immediately go about getting him into the game. This is the first game, so yeah, sit back and enjoy.
I don't think you're in my party. Let me try again.
Oh no, invite to party.
Oh, okay, there we go.
ADS, an update fixed more problems. Nice.
Oh,
Trench.
Oh my god, it goes quicker. It goes away faster than the finals.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, do it again. I missed it. Holy crap, that's quick.
Pay attention. Oh, there you go. Back Don. Nice. Just hit play. Let's go.
Yeah.
Smitty, this game is going to make final seem slow. Yeah, it does. It's quite loud compared to you. Okay, I'll turn it down a bit actually then. Hang on,
it's
who's
like
quite
easy
loud?
to pick up. Like the buttons, like there's not much to it, but
No.
it's. I think there's gonna be a lot of skill. Like,
Yeah.
A high skill ceiling. Is what
Yeah.
I'm trying to say.
I'm already feeling that. Let me go into the game settings. Audio. That down to 50. Put that down to 50. Maybe turn that down to 40. There we go. Hopefully that's a bit better. I was a little bit away from the mic as well, so we're back now. We should be good. What time is it? Oh my god. Yeah, this is good. It works on Linux.
Yeah, out of the box.
Out of the box.
Straight away.
Straight away. This is going to definitely be in rotation for sure.
Yes, this is. Yeah. Like, what's Fragpunk? I don't know what that is.
Oh, I don't know. I still quite like Fragpunk. Add perk. Got perks.
Can you switch? Oh, they're different. There's a sniper rifle.
Explosive.
SMG. Ooh, what is this?
Compressor. Paintball.
There's one other gun you can try.
Jump paint. Sticky paint.
Secure the drive to transmit data to the cloud.
Long-range semi-automatic precision rifle.
Ooh, nice. Well, I'm going to run to you.
There
I
we
mean,
go.
I struggled to keep up with you on frickin' finals, so this is going to be a nightmare.
Let's see how this goes.
Capture.
Drive spawned.
Oh, what? Oh. Wait, what? New drive. What does that mean? Oh, this... Okay, this one has ADS. This one has an actual zoomed-in scope. I died immediately.
Oh, have I got to go somewhere, have I? Tell me if I've got to go somewhere.
Drive
Oh,
dropped.
yeah, you dropped the drive.
Yeah, someone killed me. Tends to happen when you ain't got a clue what's going on.
Dropped.
Have you got to take it
Change the loadout.
somewhere?
I can't.
Oh my
I
god.
think so.
So bang, 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 dead. So 5 shot. 1, 2, 3, 4 shots and I was dead.
You reload this gun crazy.
Drive dropped. Drive recovered.
Oh,
Coming to you.
Enemy has the drive.
oh, reloading. Got him.
Drive dropped.
Oh my goodness, I'm dying immediately.
It's mental, isn't it?
This is gonna take a little while to like get good. These people have probably been playing this all day.
Yep.
Drive dropped.
Oh, I'm back at work tomorrow. Oh shit. I've got him. I've got him. Nice.
Drive.
Ah!
Oh my goodness.
Enemy collected data. Oh no, they're winning.
Oh, it's
I'm
like
gonna go get Mac.
playing like a
New drive spawned.
literally like a sport.
Isn't it?
Oh, you can like boost off the walls.
How do I get into this again? Can I get into this? Oh, 2,
Drive
1,
recovered.
mech. I'm in the mech. Let's go.
Oh shoot. Yeah, this movement's gonna take some getting used to. Oh, you're in the. Yeah, I see you. I gotta kill somebody. Oh, there's a mech. There's a mech. They got a mech too.
Double kill.
Oh. The time to kill is pretty quick.
It isn't it? It's brilliant. I love it.
Drive
Do you heal?
taken.
Do you heal? Oh, no, you don't heal.
Oh, mech gone. Mech gone. Oh, and you're
Kept
gone.
him busy. Kept him busy for a little bit though.
Drive recovered.
Where have I got to take it to? I don't know where I've got to take it to.
Escort. Oh, jeez, I'm surrounded.
Drive dropped.
I'm not sure where you're supposed to. Where's the?
Oh, it's
is there
here.
like a goal?
Oh, this is where the mech is.
Drive secured.
Oh, you can throw it as well. But I don't know where you're supposed to take the ball. Is there like a map?
how do I pick
No,
it
it's
up?
nothing on the map. I think it's F.
I'm getting hit. I'm getting hit. I'm dead. I'm still alive somehow.
Drive taken.
Oh my goodness.
Drive secured.
Oh my god, that was close.
Drive dropped.
Are you supposed to just hold it for so long, or?
I'm not
Enemy
sure.
has the drive.
I don't see like a goal on the minimap or anything.
Drive dropped.
Oh, there's 3 of them on me.
Enemy has the drive.
Thought he had to reload.
Mechs spawned.
Mech spawned.
Mechs spawned. Drive secured.
Oh my god, that
What
was.
does that mean? Oh, they got it.
There was
Wait,
3.
so what are they doing with it?
New drive spawned.
How are they getting a point? What are they doing with it?
I don't know. Oh, we got a point.
Oh, we got a point.
Drive recovered.
I'm staying with the mech.
Drive dropped. Enemy has the
Their
drive.
mech's down. Oh my goodness. These people's aim is something else. I need to change my
Oh my god.
My zoom sensitivity
Drive,
multiplier.
Enemy has the drive.
Oh. Yeah, when there's two shooting at you at the same time, your health
it's
just
over.
disappears.
Yeah. All right, I'm behind you. It's like almost impossible to stay together in this game.
Drive recovered.
Oh, I had to throw the ball in order to
If
be
you
able to
stop
shoot.
moving, you're dead.
Oh, right. Yeah, 100%.
Enemy
You could not
has the
stop.
drive.
Oh,
Drive
oh, he's almost dead.
Got him.
Mech inbound.
Oh, I tried to throw it and I got shot in the back. There must be somewhere to put it.
Drive dropped.
Oh, I got the drive. I'm running with it.
It's beep, 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 beep. Oh, I think it's a time thing. I think you have to hold it for a certain amount of time.
Oh,
Double kill.
yeah, I think we're about to get it.
Drive dropped.
What the heck? I just went in like overdrive or something.
Oh,
Mech
Jesus.
spawned.
How'd that happen? How'd I do that? They're about to get it. They're about to get it. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Dang it. Okay, I think I understand it now. You just have to hold it for a certain amount of time.
Oh, damn it.
Spawned. Drive taken.
Oh my. Before you realize where you're getting shot from, you're dead.
Drive dropped.
Yep, it is a bit like that, isn't it?
Mech incoming. Drive dropped. Enemy has the drive.
Map awareness is a thing too.
Oh my god, there's two of them. There's two of them.
Enemy has the drive. Drive secured. Mech spawn.
Oh, mech.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Mech, 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 mech.
Yep. Oh, I can't get out.
Oh my god, the mech got me so easily. Obviously.
Enemy data collected.
Damn it. 3-5.
New drive spawned. Enemy has the drive.
Oh my god. Oh, there was three of them behind me. So I'm thinking, how are they killing me so quick? Oh, there's three of them shooting me at the same time. Yeah, that's gonna hurt.
Drive dropped.
Oh my god, there's two of them. There's two of them.
Drive dropped. Mech inbound. Drive taken. Enemy has the drive. Drive
Ah,
dropped.
get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up.
Double kill. Has the drive.
Oh, I got one of them.
Spawned.
Yeah, you got to pass it to each other, innit? It's like handball or whatever.
Mech spawned. Objective failed.
Oh,
Enemy
we
cloud
lost.
transfer complete.
Oh, I need to catch up with chat. Sorry, chat. This game is like mental. So I think that you can tell that we are having a great time here. We are definitely adding this to the roster and we'll be playing it a fair bit. What do you think? Is this something that you would play, or are you just going to grab it and say an FU to Respawn? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. You guys take care and we'll catch you in the next one. Oh my god.
Mech secured.
Nice.